Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Texas Roadhouse. This is ticker TXRH. Texas Roadhouse, as you can see, is in a bit of a cup formation and has been in this formation since way back here in November of 2024. Now, it did dip under the cup a bit, but came back above, and now it's just kind of consolidating near some recent highs. You can see these highs from back here in November of 2024, and that kind of coincides with these highs from just in May. Now, we have been consolidating this move off the low. It did dip down just under the 50-day moving average, but I like to see when things do get to kind of a point where they look sketchy, like, this stock could be in trouble. I want to see it rebound quickly, and that's exactly what Texas Roadhouse did. Now, what we can actually do is draw a bit of a downward sloping trend line from the high here on Tuesday, May 27th, all the way down to today's price action. And you can see how this level has been resistance. Stock's been unable to get above, can't even get above here on Wednesday. So we're just under a pretty clear resistance level. I would have an alert here on Texas Roadhouse above Wednesday's high at around 196 and look for a move above that level coming on volume. Now, if you do take that entry, if this does trigger, you'd want to use the 21-day EMA as your initial stop loss until the stock pushes away from this price, and you can move it up and ideally get it to break even as soon as possible. Now, if that does happen, then I'm looking up here at around 199 and 200 and just around 204 for some near-term swing targets. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full watch list, click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.